I found this cashew clusters in the grocery store a few days ago. I love almonds and I've been trying to consume pumpkin seeds on a regular basis. It wasn't that much fun. So when I saw this, I said, I'll be able to consume what I like a lot, almonds, and consume the pumpkin seeds in this cashew clusters. So what I really like about this is that it's 50% cashews, 5 grams of protein per serving, gluten-free, super duper. Let's look at the list of ingredients. We have here ingredients such as cashews, almonds, sugar cane, pumpkin seed kernels, rice syrup, sea salt, honey. So you can just imagine the flavor that you'll get from these. A bit of slight salty and a bit slight salt and a little bit of sweetness, just perfect balance. I really like them. Let me show you what it looks like. And to me, a few of these is just basically satisfying. You can have them like for breakfast, a few of them for breakfast, maybe a few of them for midnight for a late evening snack, and you're good to go. And you can see some cashews. This is the cashews. Sorry, this is the almonds here. Pumpkin seeds. These are very nice. Very, very nice.